According to ADAA.org, 6.8% of the US population is sad. And to be honest, getting banned on Instagram will definitely make you sad as well. So let's see what we can do about it. If you want to get your Instagram account back, the first thing you gotta do is like this video. You can get your account back. It's as simple as that. No, I'm joking, but it will definitely help me out. And make sure you click the subscribe button if you want to grow on Instagram and learn how to monetize your social media presence. And I want to help you out. And one of the ways that I can help you, especially if you're starting out a new account from scratch, is shouting you out. If you want to be shouted out by me, make sure you comment down below your Instagram username for a chance to be featured in one of the next episodes. I pretty much shout out every single person. I reply to every comment if you have a question, so make sure you do it. And if you want to know if you are the shout out winner, make sure you stick until the end of this video. So the first question is, why were you banned? Did you use automation? Well, kind of broke the TOS. Did you post something inappropriate? You already knew that could happen.
Wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Was this a false positive? You didn't do anything wrong, but something flagged your account and you got disabled. You got the ban hammer. Here's the deal. Here is how you get your Instagram account back. There's a link in the description that's called help.instagram.com/contact blah blah blah. Go on the description, click, and it will bring you to this. So when you go on the link and you click on it, you're brought up to the help.instagram.com website. And as you can see, here is our issue. My Instagram account was deactivated. If you believe your account was deactivated by mistake, and you can do that even if it wasn't by mistake pretty much, please provide the following information so we can investigate. Please only submit this form, blah blah blah. Is this account used to represent a business, product or service? Do not click yes, because then you gotta verify all this information. You can just click no. Your full name, Dr. Nikki. Doctor, and my family name is Nikki. Instagram username, I already wrote one. It was entrepreneur. This was an account I decided to test some automation on, so it got banned. Your email address, or Dr. Nikki, drnikki.co. Enter your country, United States. The reason why I'm choosing the United States is because I want to receive the email in English. So we just click send, and then make sure it's an email you check, because you get a follow-up email that you gotta reply. So if this changes and goes here, then you will receive an email to confirm that you are in fact the owner of the account. It's not someone, you just didn't get heard that some famous person got banned and you want to get his account back. So what they're gonna send you is actually a code in an email that looks like, basically the email says, hi, thanks for contacting us. Before we can help, we need you to confirm that you own this account, and they want a picture of me holding code 24360. So what I gotta do if I want my account back is just write on a piece of paper that code, hold it, take a photo like, and then just reply to the email with it. And with Instagram, you should know that the magic number is 14. 14 days is the length of a shadow ban. 14 days is the length of a response for any question when it comes to Instagram. You gotta wait 2 weeks, pretty much. You gotta hold tight to your patience. Don't let go of it, because you need it. It takes some time. But in the meantime, if you're wondering what you should do, well, you should just comment your username in the description down below for a chance to be the shoutout winner, like these guys right here. Okay, so we have a bunch of comments. I replied to every single one, as you can see. Star Wars meme.exe says, thanks Star Wars memes. I love the username .exe. I love that. Seems like a virus. So if you're interested in Star Wars, dang, Star Wars memes, check him out. My username is 727-sim, and I'm an athlete. That's great. Instead of adding him on Monday's video, but we're recording Wednesdays. Thank you so much, it worked. Oh, it's about the Instagram music video. Anastasia, you are so handsome. Well, thank you, even when I'm bald. I look like an emoji here, but Jack McAdoo says, I love what you're doing. You don't just share knowledge and help people in your videos. You actually take the time to interact with your followers, a key element in everything we do. Love it. By the way, if I do not reply to your comments, I don't think you should be commenting on my videos, because it's not like, it will be kind of hypocritical, don't you think? So reply with, I appreciate it, thanks for noticing it, Jack. I'm here to serve my audience. I learn for free on the internet. I want to represent that in my videos. Vote for Nikki.
Use machine number 3.
I can't fit in the booth.
Use the double wide.
No, it should have been like, I represent that in my videos. For the people, by the people, so help me God.
Of the people, by the people, and for the people, so help me God.
Then we have Bright Bio, who says, I make content, and it's the second time we're shouting him out. So yeah, these are the shout out winners. And remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, there's definitely 2 videos that you need to watch. The first one is actually presented to you by the YouTube algorithm that knows everything that you're doing when no one else is watching, and it knows your true intentions, true interests, and it basically tells you click on this one. And I am Dr. Nikki. By the way, this is no financial or medical advice. I'm telling you to click this one. See you next one. Bye.